Hey everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you my latest update, RecoFace 4.0. After the previous version we saw, I have done some drastic changes with the WIP, which is work in progress. With the work in progress in hand, I was able to add newer extensions and newer systems to integrate. So the original is still there, where it's the scanning of the face using machine learning with either my face or my sister's face, and the door can access. The same devices are there, but newer people, newer butlers and newer assistants are there into this particular system, the current existing system. The 4.2 system of RecoFace, which I have not named right now, apparently due to a mistake right here. So RecoFace 4.2 serves a pathway for the newer version coming out maybe in 2 months or 1 month or even 2 weeks or so, called as RecoFace 5.0, which will completely bring new changes. So the original is as usual, where there is commands for trying out to access the door without your face, then it will show the police siren and things like that. So that's the original and it's still there. So with that, let's just experiment and see what happens. So the original home button is there and the appliances are there. But what's new is with the Toby, which he has a newer set of extensions to add. So with the help of this course I'm going for, called Learn AI with Corky, provided by Stempedia or powered by Stempedia, I was able to learn how to use AI, particularly the speech recognition, home automation, all the different kinds of new based technologies on AI with the help of a simple robotic buddy named Corky. So I have the Corky board with me right now. This is the Corky board, and with this particular board I was able to design various AI and ML projects. So the AI project is basically speech recognition that I've used for this particular project, and you can see it's a virtual assistant as usual. Now there are newer changes, that is, now not only do these work, they have added more effects. So the previous version looked little off beat, but now we have brought into the right beat. So now everything seems to be fine. I've added extra blocks into the speech recognition result for the various kinds of gimmicks for understanding the weather of two countries I've added. And with the display, with the working with the display, which is like 35 LEDs present on this board, I was able to display the weather of each of the countries being mentioned in this particular project. The newer thing that is there is two more extensions that I have added. So the two extensions that I have added are actually the natural language processing, and also on top of that, the newest one for now, object face detection, which is happening to be the most significantly advanced kind of extension I have been using. Now normally it's very hard to use such things like these, but with simple block based connections I was able to use it effectively. So NLP and object face detection seem to be quite easy for me, and I created new blocks for draining data and testing the data. And now it's not the original way it was before. When I created this project in 3.0, 2.0 and 1.0, it seemed to be all looking very very uneasy, or like very hard to use. I had to only use lights on or lights off to control the lights, but now there's a newer way. I would just use very simple blocks and also data. So now you can see whatever you like, not just lights on, but you can see these particular expressions for turning on the light, and also these as well for turning off the light, and also lights off. The original one is also there. So now doesn't mean that you have to keep on using the same block each time. It's very easy, and you can see your common expressions you say at home to your parents or whoever you say to your relatives, etc. Also now I have worked and played with the effects. So now before it used to just turn on the light and turn off the light, but now actually it does something much better than that. Rather, it switches the backdrops actually to turn their brightness to lower or higher. And yeah, now that's it. But now I'm going to explain you the new system I added. So the new system officially I'm going to introduce you right now is called garbage management system, where it uses the concepts of biodegradable and non-biodegradable wastes in basically understanding how the science behind different kinds of substances are and how we can dispose them. So with the help of the T2 sensor, which is the touch sensors present on the Corky board, I'll show you right here. These sensors right here, the T2 sensor particularly, I was able to control the garbage management system that would detect some materials I added, and if it didn't, then it would say that hello, please throw your trash by analyzing it, and it will show this sample nice little face that I designed. And yeah, there's a button to activate it, like always. So the button can allow you to do easy access to the dustbin management system, and yeah, that's it. So that's the latest upgrade for RecoFace 4.2. It must be a drastic change from the original one, considered to be it used to be very downgraded and did not have much of the features. But with Corky, I have significantly improved it from the previous version. So yeah, this serves as the pathway to the next version that I'll be putting up. It's called RecoFace 5.0. And as always, this video was for the capstone project of my course I'm going for, known as Learn with Corky for AI, or AI with Corky. So yeah, that's all for this explanation of the capstone project and for my details of the next project. Thank you, and I'll see you soon. Bye.